The 2015 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.